Okay, so you can see the picture that I have with, I want to get rid of that random person. So I'm going to go to the clone stamp tool, click on that. And then what I'm going to do is it's going to remove and replace it with whatever is nearby. So I'm going to, first I have to get an area that I want to take it from. So I'm going to hold down the Alt or Option key and click on the area I want to take from. And now when I go over here, you see the plus sign where it's what it's taking from. Okay, so I can cover it up if I need to. I can go and reset it to get some more stuff, but I'm just going to very lightly cover up him with the clouds from somewhere else. Okay, so again, you can reset it. You can click Alt again and find a new spot to pull from, but I'm just going to lightly, you could use the selection tool, but what I saw when I did the selection tool is it didn't blend that well. And that's it.